Araw mo to.
Mamaya ako spot mo.
Kasi ganito kasi yun.
Cloud chaser.
Ikaw talaga.
Ganun ka na cloud chaser.
Nakakakan kasi siya dun sa mga tao nung kanina, oh. Okay. Memorize yun.
5, 6.
Saan ka ba ako?
Sila kahit
6, 7. Kainay ko yun.
Sorry po.
Okay, 7. I'll tell you my story. How I... Ba't di nakatali ko doon? Okay, last one. Okay. I'll tell you my story. How I ended up questioning almost everything in my life. Scared to death if I could survive. The world is so cruel. Everyone seems so brutal. I feel so little. Am I too emotional? I feel so sick in the night. Can you hear me? I said, alright, alright. You're everywhere. Sometimes I'm unaware. Wrote this song to comfort me as if you're saying it to me. I know from my heart, right from the start, you did very well. Just be gentle with yourself. I know it's hard, but you gotta try. Don't be shy, I got your back when you wanna cry. Don't give up on you, I'm so proud of you. You did. But for me, one, you did well.
Sila yun.
Ayan. Okay. Thank you po. Hindi ko makanta yung second verse kasi nagpadalo isa.